This school is really big. I feel a bit nervous. I hope to make friends. Oh, my pencil dropped. Where did it roll away? Who is that girl? She looks very strange. I do not like her. Look at her clothes. What a country bumpkin. She does not belong here. Get out of my way. You are walking too slow. Move aside. Oh my goodness. Please be careful. You bumped into me. Watch your steps. You are so clumsy. Open your eyes widely. Hold on, I am coming. Do not move. Let me help you. Are you okay? Do you feel pain anywhere? Let me pick up your books. Lily, you are going too far. You must apologize to her. That is a terrible manner. What is everyone looking at? This is annoying. I did nothing wrong. I will never apologize to her. Mind your own business. I am leaving. This chair is so comfortable. Resting my feet is great. I love doing this. This gum is very sweet. My bubble is huge. I am so cool. The flavor is gone. I need to throw it away. Where should I put it? Nobody will ever know. Hiding it here is the safest. That is so funny. The teacher's desk is messy. I must tidy it up. He will be happy. The board is very dusty. The teacher is coming soon. I will wipe it clean. She does not know how to enjoy life. Doing extra work is so stupid. What a loser. There is trash on the floor. Our class must be clean. I will throw it away. I miss the bin. Just ignore it. She always pretends to be hardworking. It makes me sick.
Pay attention, class. This lesson is very important. Please take notes.
I know the answer, sir. Let me explain it. It is very simple. The teacher talks too much. I am feeling very sleepy. I will just take a nap. Hi, Mia. Are you happy studying here? This school is very friendly. Yes, I really like it here. Thank you for helping me earlier. You are very kind. If you do not know anything, just ask me. I am always here. We are friends. Let us talk about the new girl. She is so weird. I do not like her. Mia is a coward. She is extremely rustic. She does not belong here. Look over there. The janitor is working hard. She is very diligent. Good morning, madam. Thank you for cleaning our school. Have a nice day. Excuse me, girls. Please step aside. I need to sweep here. Move your cart away. It smells very bad. Yuck! I will just ignore her. I do not care at all. I am drawing my family. The colors are very bright. This makes me happy. Drawing on paper is boring. I have a better idea. This will be fun. This monster looks very scary. Drawing on the desk is great. It is my masterpiece. We must wash our hands cleanly. Germs are everywhere. The soap smells nice. Washing hands takes too much time. My hands are not very dirty. Let us go eat. The food is delicious today. Let us sit together. I am starving right now. Let us put the plates away. I will wipe the table clean. It is good manners. This joke is incredibly funny. I cannot stop laughing. The food is great today. Oops, the food spilled. I do not care. The cleaners will do it. Put this tray away for me. I am very full now. See you later. She is extremely lazy and bossy. I am tired of her attitude. This is not fair. The water is cold. Here is your cup, Mia. Drink it now. I want to drink water too. Just get this glass for me. Thank you so much. Give it back to me. This water is for Mia. You are playing very dirty. My hand slipped. Do not be so petty. Ugh. I am extremely thirsty. Let her have it, Lola. I am not very thirsty right now. Do not fight. That country girl knows her place. This water belongs to me now. I am the winner.
We will paint a wall mural. Choose your own groups. Form a team of 4.
Can I join your team, Lola? You are a great leader. Where is everyone? Why is my table empty? Come here, guys. I am joining another group. I cannot work with you today. Sorry about that. Why does nobody want to join me? This is unacceptable. Lola is so annoying. I read the book yesterday. I know all the answers. This test is easy. These questions are too difficult. I do not know the answers. I am in big trouble. Let me see your paper. Just one quick look. Do not cover it.
Lily, stand up right now. Stop looking at your friend's paper. You are cheating.
I am sorry, teacher. I will not do it again. I know my mistake. Where are they? We always walk home together. I am waiting here. We are very busy today. We must go home quickly. Do not wait for us. Today was a wonderful day. Thank you for everything. I am very happy. You are my best friend. We had a great time. Let us go home. They are sharing food. She looks so happy. I have nothing at all. They are so happy. I am completely alone. Does nobody want to play with me? She is walking alone. She looks very miserable. Yeah, I feel a bit bad for her. Did I do something terrible? Oh. I do not want to be isolated. I feel so lonely. I had good friends before. I must change my attitude. Tomorrow will be different. Today is a new day. I will behave properly. I will not cause trouble. This book is interesting. I must study hard. I want to be a good student. She is acting very strange today. Why is she reading books? I am totally surprised. Someone dropped this paper. The floor must be clean. I will pick it up. When did she change her attitude? Am I seeing things? This is truly unbelievable.
We need a performance team for our class. Who do you want to choose? Tell me right now.
Teacher, I would like to nominate Lola.
I think so too. Lola is both beautiful and talented, which makes her a great fit.
Will anyone say my name? I love dancing too. Please nominate me. Teacher, I want to nominate Lily. She dances very well. Please choose her. Did she just say my name? I am totally shocked. What is going on? Come on, Lily. You can do it. Be confident. I need to talk to them. I must be brave. Here I go. I am sorry for my bad actions. I was very mean to you. I promise I will never do it again. We forgive you, Lily. Join our art team now. Let us be good friends. Everything is fine now. We will have fun together. I am so glad. This ice cream is so sweet. Having friends is wonderful. Thank you for your forgiveness. Friendship is the best thing. We will always support each other.